I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start by turning your UI elements into reusable components. You want a single source of truth. You should select a frame or group and press the component shortcut, then name it clearly so you can find variants fast. Once done, add variants for each state like default, hover, and pressed, and apply auto layout plus constraints for responsive behavior. This early discipline prevents layout breaks later and makes wiring interactions straightforward because each state lives in one component set. Now focus on wiring the states inside the component set. In the prototype tab, drag from the default variant to the hover or pressed variant to create a link. Choose a trigger, on-click for buttons, while hovering for tooltips, or after delay for micro interactions, and pick Smart Animate when you want smooth property interpolation. Make sure layer names and properties align across variants so Smart Animate can interpolate correctly. Otherwise, Figma falls back to instant swaps, and the motion will feel jarring. Finish by testing interactions in present mode and on different device previews so you catch timing issues or misplaced elements. Once satisfied, publish the component library so teammates get updates. Include a short version note so they know what changed. If an animation skips or jumps, troubleshoot by confirming layer names match across variants, checking constraints and auto layout, and reducing simultaneous animations. Make sure to rerun the prototype after fixes, then publish again to lock in the corrected behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.